What's the meaning of chalkboard? Chalkboard. Chalkboard.
Chalkboard. Chalkboard. A chalkboard is a flat surface, usually made of slate or other materials, that is used for writing or drawing with chalk. It was commonly used in classrooms as a teaching tool before the widespread adoption of electronic whiteboards. Chalkboards can be easily erased and reused, making them a practical and versatile teaching tool. While they are less common today, some teachers still prefer the tactile experience of using a chalkboard. Overall, a chalkboard is a simple yet effective tool for conveying information visually.